I've got probably one of the smokiest whiskies you can get. We've got Laphroaig, and Laphroaig is an Islay whiskey, and in Islay, very similarly to the beer, they would use peat as a fuel. So they burn peat, which is like mud and earth and dirt and all this sort of vegetation that's been compacted over years, and they'd use that as their fuel when they were cooking the malts. So similarly, the smoke would stick to that grain, and then it would carry the flavour through all the way through distillation. So
all the way through distillation.
Yeah. Islay whiskies are very famous for having that smoky profile. Laphroaig, they've been making whiskey since, well, it actually says on the bottle.
Well, yeah,
1815.
it's lucky for you. It says
I thought it was 1810. I thought they were even older than that, but they put 1815 on there. So let's go with
the
that.
olden days.
Yeah, the olden days.